Hey there, Greg Marchand here, be ethical. Look, ethics, I shouldn't have to say this, and I probably don't have to say this, but ethics in automotive repair are really important. Now, what I mean by that is I'm not suggesting you're not ethical. What I'm suggesting is that we need to show our customers how ethical we are. We talked about transparency once, but look, think about the Motorist Assurance Program, MAP. They have a code of ethics you can use in your marketing. It costs you $200 a year to join the program. Join the program and show customers, look, you know what? We are ethical. This is why we are ethical. This is how we're doing it. Put your courtesy inspection, the reasons you do your courtesy inspection, framed on the wall, because we at XYZ Automotive believe it is part of our responsibility to help you, the consumer, ensure the safety, reliability, and longevity of your automobile. We offer every valued customer of ours a free courtesy inspection every time they come in. You write that down, you frame it, put it on the wall. It shows customers why you do what you do, and that is ethics. If you've got an employee that violates the ethics of your company, at the very first thing you need to do is a written warning at the very first instance that it happens. After that, you can let them go if you want to, but nobody should be violating your code of ethics for your shop. Write one up, use the MAP one, create a code of ethics. Use AI to do it. Get it hung up and have everybody abide by it. It will do wonders for your transparency and for your customer trust. Keep up the great work. Smash that subscribe button and never, ever, ever stop learning.